today we are here with another review of whatever. And we was just in here today by. So first of all, I want to say, my honeys, I have just woken up. It is Christmas morning. We ain't letting that bother us. You know, over here in Kells Nation, we ain't got no filter, okay? So, I put my little Christmas tree on my head, guys, because I just knew I looked at a mess, okay? So, these are the same braids, okay? This doing nothing but eating and growing. But, let's see what we got. So, they sent us a wiggage. It's pretty standard, guys. We have a wig cap. We got some extra straps to put onto the wig for a band so you could get that glueless effect. And you got one extra comb. It is Christmas, guys. Like, I was not ready. I don't have nothing to wear for today. KJ is with his dad. Dad just came, picked him up, got him an outfit and some more stuff. I don't have nothing. I'm not ready, me or my daughter. Well, I did get my daughter a nice sweater, but that's it. Let's look at the construction of the wig. Okay. So you got three combs. Okay. This extra comb, guys, will probably go for up here, the top of that lace to hold it back right there. But we don't need it, so we ain't letting that bother us. And then you got them adjustable bands. Okay. And then you can add a band to it. You would add it from right here, sew it down on that seam, bring it on around and sew it there, and then it will be more tautly on your head and you do not have to worry about gluing it. But I think today this wig is something different, guys. Okay, my honey, so this one has a bang, which is cute. So it was like a bob bangy type of thing. That's pretty long. The bang is long. We will cut that. It has a middle part. I don't know, guys. I don't feel like I'm going to worry about bleaching no knots because it's just already pretty much said and done. So, basically all we would need to do is put some makeup over that part. If I wanted to change my part to the side here, I could. Like you can see that part over there. So basically, my honeys, we will have to cut this bang down out our face. So I will probably just like take it like this. And then I will probably point cut across. Now you still got your lace underneath. Okay, that looks a nice and pre-plucky. If you really wanted to, guys, you could have bring it back and have it like in a little top bun and have some hanging. Boom, boom, boom. If you really wanted to. And I'm probably not even gonna glue it down because we got a bang. We don't have to do that. We're gonna utilize these combs. I'm gonna put the combs on the sides. It's pretty much an easy wig to deal with. That feels very secure without the glue. Okay. I could tighten my adjustable straps in the back if need be. See, I would want the bang to kind of look like that, my honey. Like on some thin, cute. Like that. So you can kind of still see my face, but not too thin. So we're gonna just go in and kind of cut it on the Chinese side. And that's it. Cut that lace off and this wig should pretty much be ready, set, go. That's what I'm doing with it today. You always want to do your bang like right above your lashes. Don't go up here, honeys. Like whenever you're cutting the bang, don't cut it straight across to the brows. You always want to get it right above that eye. Because when you go in to bump it, you will have space and it will lift up a little more and then everything will fall in place. And also you will just take a little piece first and then cut it somewhere and then straighten it and see how it's gonna fall and know if that's your length or not too. Cause once you cut it, that's it. Ain't no coming back, ain't no growing back. It's just gonna be what it is, okay? So that's pretty much would be that. Okay, my honeys, I just put it up in a pony. Basically, it is a 13 by 4. It's not a 13 by 6. I don't know if this would be a little style or whatever. You know how you would doctor it up, don't make it cute. It ain't much lace anyway because it's so nothing. So I am just gonna cut this lace off. I am not gluing it down today, guys, so I don't even care how it's cut. I am gonna leave just a little bit of lace so that if I ever was to wear it in a different style, I could go ahead and glue it down and have some lace to play with. I was thinking about curling it, so I will probably put it in some layers. It's more like a little bob, so the front is kind of long and then the back is just a tad shorter, nothing major. I'm picking it up and I am going down. Okay, I'm not picking it up going like that. That could be some layers, but then it'll take away from my lengthage. Okay, so I just want to keep the length and cut down. So these curls got a name, guys. I don't know what's the name to them, but I know at the ends they will be straight. You really wouldn't go in on the curl tightly with that, and then you go curl one way and then you go back another way, and you kind of just switch the curls up all over the head. You don't just curl in one direction, so that way when I rake this out with my hand, I could just shake it and it's gonna all come together, and it's not gonna be one big curl. Like, it's gonna just be all kind of stringy looking and cute and sexy, you know, like the stars wear their hair. Okay, my honeys, this is the final look. I love it. I know I always say that, like, I'm gonna love every look that I do or whatever, but no, sometimes I don't be liking it. Like, it don't be what it be. Okay, I was a little skeptical, but as you notice, I did pluck out some of the hair. Okay, it could be a lot thinner, but I did not even want to go in on it because you can't take it back. It's not even that thin under there. Like, I literally got so much hair up here, I could go in and pluck some more and just make it thinner, but it's fine. I'm gonna leave it just like it is. Okay, you still see skin. I feel like you still see brow. Like, literally, you can see straight through this. It's choppy. It's not straight across. The curls is messy. They are not perfect. I don't care if they fall. It's still just going to be like messy curls, cute. You know what I'm saying? Then, of course, I'm Rudolph. You know, it's Christmas. So, what can I say? Like, I love it, love it. I could be free. And guess what, guys? I did not glue this down at all. It is on there. Okay, I can lift that on up. It's not glued or anything. So I really do like this Wiggage. As far as bangs, okay? We've never did bangs on a wig. And it already came banged for you. So you get a bang for your money. And if you guys like this makeup look, guess what? I just did it and I made a video. So I'm gonna link everything about it below. I want you guys to leave me a comment and let me know what you think, what I should have did different, because I know y'all will let me know. I know y'all will. I don't think the bang has to be perfect in no type of way. I kind of want it to be see-through-y to the makeup, so I don't know if it's too choppy looking or whatever, but I just like how it is see-through and thin. And then you got everything else that's kind of thick. The hair is lightweight, it's not heavy, so that means that the density is probably not high because it's not super thick. So I know some of my honeys like thick hair, you know what I'm saying? So I don't even know if you could select the density wise, but you throw some curls to it, honey. You know, the more you play with them, the bigger they're gonna get. So That'd be cool right there for me. You know, I done played with them a little bit. They done got a little bigger, made the hair not look so flat. And yes, my honeys, I just love everything about it. I mean, it's not really for me though, okay? It's for my honeys to decide if this is something that you want to do, okay? So the style came out just as I anticipated it. So I feel like it's perfect. You can just get up and go. This will be probably a wiggage, guys, that I would just get up and throw on and keep it moving because I don't have to glue it. I don't got to do nothing. Ain't no lace short. Now, if that wind blow, okay, but anyhow, we gonna hold it down. Okay, whatever. But yes, my honeys, y'all know it's been a while since I've gotten cute, and I am cute right now. I feel so good. It is Christmas. I don't know exactly what's going on, but I may go ahead and step out tonight just because it's Wednesday, and I did find a nice bar to go to. I could just go and check it out. I think I went a couple Wednesdays ago or whatever, and the DJ was kind of like on my heels. He was playing songs for me and everything, y'all. Like, had me feeling some type of way in this bar, like, who, me? Or whatever. And he called me out over the mic and was like, you, come here. And he said, this song next is for you or something he said or whatever. And I'm like, what? So then when the song came, I forgot what song it was, guys, but it was something so sexy and just like, I want you, gotta have you type of, and I'm just like, little old me. You know what I'm saying? But you know, when I step out, I try not to come to play, I come to slay, okay? But I have not slayed like this in so long, guys. Like literally mommy mode. Guess what else? I am not breastfeeding anymore. Okay, that's a whole nother story. So I am more able to be relaxed and get these cute looks going, okay? This is just like a nice nude look, okay? Settled look or whatever. But you could call it a Christmas sleigh, I guess. I don't know. I guess that's what I'll call it. But anywho, we will be doing more makeup coming into this 2020, my honeys, because if we gonna do this hair, we gotta have his face right too, okay? And I am all for it. I am all for the natural as well, okay? So I want to be versatile. I want to be able to, okay, on my regular days going to Walmart, y'all know how I do like to at least throw some lashes on and maybe just fill the brow in and not conceal and do all of that, okay? I do like something. I am a woman, okay? But when I want to go out and step out and find me a boyfriend, okay, I got to have me some good hair. And I'm gonna leave everything about this hair in the description, honey. And I want me a nice cute face. Like, okay, this is how I even recruit clients, okay? They be like, who did your hair? Who did your makeup? And it's just me, okay? Kells 100. So guess what? I'm going to recruit the night. How about that? Thank you guys for watching this video. I know that y'all always know that I come to slay, I don't come to play. And even if y'all don't like it, you know, I like those comments too. Just let me know what I could have did different or however. But I honestly think that it's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's just pretty basic, but it'll do. You know, we bought a wig. We didn't know what to do with it. We figured it out, and here we are. Okay? And this hair company just made it so easy, though. Like, thank you. Thank you so very much. At this point of the video, I will see my honeys on the next one. The next one. I know I'm extra, my honeys. Bye, guys. Love you guys.